Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Fifth Third bank account. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. So without further ado, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL 53.com. Once you do that, click on the login button at the top right of the page. Then you'll need to enter your information that you used to log into your Fifth Third bank account. So start by entering your user ID. Once you enter your user ID, enter your password. After you enter your information, click on login in order to log into your Fifth Third bank account. If you do not have an account, click on register, and if you have forgotten your ID or password, click on forgot user ID or forgot password. And once you fill in all your information, click on login and you'll be logged into your Fifth Third bank account. So there you have it. That's how you log into your Fifth Third bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.